Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chat, where learning English is easy and fun.
Hello, Lisa. Hi, everyone. It's Mark here.
Hi, Mark. You look like you're ready to cook today.
Haha, yes, because today we are talking about English conversation in the kitchen. Cooking and food talk for beginners. Super useful and fun.
Yes, these are the sentences you use when cooking with family or friends.
We will practice slowly, repeat phrases, and give lots of examples. But first, our usual small request. If you like this episode, please click the like button, subscribe to Daily English Chat, and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot.
Yes, please do. We want to help everyone speak English confidently. Okay, Mark, let's imagine we are in the kitchen.
What are we cooking today?
Let's make pasta.
Good idea.
First, wash your hands.
Always important.
Now, take out the ingredients:
Pasta, tomatoes, garlic,
olive oil, salt, pepper.
cheese for topping.
Perfect.
Boil water in the pot.
Add salt to the water.
When it boils, add pasta.
Stir it.
Don't let it stick.
Chop the onion.
Be careful with the knife.
Yes, safety first.
Mince the garlic.
Heat oil in the pan.
Add onion.
Fry until golden.
Add garlic.
Smells good.
Add tomatoes.
Chopped or sauce.
Fresh chopped.
Add salt and pepper.
Basil if we have.
Yes, fresh basil.
Let it simmer.
Stir occasionally.
Check the pasta.
Is it al dente?
Taste one.
Perfect.
Drain the pasta.
Save some pasta water.
Mix pasta with sauce.
Add pasta water if dry.
Grate cheese.
Serve hot.
Looks delicious.
Let's eat.
Thank you for cooking.
You're welcome.
Now, clean up.
Wash dishes.
I'll dry.
Teamwork.
Now, let's practice more kitchen phrases.
Can you pass the salt?
Here you are.
Thank you.
Do we have sugar?
Yes, in the jar.
Where is the spoon?
In the drawer.
Turn on the stove.
Low flame or high?
Medium.
Cut the vegetables.
Dice or slice?
Dice the onion.
Peel the potato.
Wash the rice.
How many times?
3 times.
Soak the lentils.
For 30 minutes.
Fry the spices.
Cumin seeds first.
Add ginger garlic paste.
Stir well.
Don't burn it.
Add masala.
Taste it.
Needs more salt.
Add a little.
Perfect now.
Cover the pot.
Cook on low heat.
Set the timer.
20 minutes. Fluff it with fork.
Serve with curry.
Garnish with coriander.
It looks amazing.
Time to taste it.
Delicious.
Thank you.
You are a great cook.
Thanks to you for helping.
Teamwork.
Now, clean the kitchen.
Wash the pots.
I'll wipe the counter.
Put away the ingredients.
Fridge clean.
Throw away peels.
Good.
Let's make another recipe.
How about eggs?
Boiled or fried?
Scrambled.
Break the eggs.
Whisk them.
Add salt and pepper.
Heat the pan.
Butter or oil?
Butter.
Pour eggs.
Stir slowly.
Add cheese.
Melt it.
Ready.
Serve with bread.
Breakfast done.
Now, tea time.
Boil water.
Add tea leaves.
Ginger.
Yes, crushed.
Cardamom.
2 pods.
Milk.
Half cup.
Sugar.
2 spoons.
Strain it.
Pour in cups.
Enjoy.
Perfect chai.
Snack with it.
Biscuits.
or samosa.
Heat samosa.
Chutney?
Green chutney.
Yummy.
Baking time.
Make cake.
Ingredients:
Flour, sugar, eggs, butter.
baking powder.
Vanilla.
Mix dry ingredients.
Beat eggs.
Add sugar.
Cream butter.
Combine all.
Pour in pan.
Preheat oven.
180 degrees.
Bake 30 minutes.
Check with toothpick.
Clean if comes out.
Cool it.
Frosting.
Chocolate.
Spread it.
Decorate.
Candles for birthday.
No, just enjoy.
Salad making.
Chop lettuce.
Tomatoes.
Cucumber.
Onion.
Dressing.
Olive oil and lemon.
Salt. Pepper.
Mix.
Healthy.
Soup time.
Chicken soup.
Boiled chicken.
Add carrots.
Potatoes.
Spices.
Simmer.
Blend or not.
Chunky.
Serve hot.
With bread.
Comfort food.
Now, common kitchen phrases.
Can you help me cook?
Sure.
Pass the knife.
Here.
Be careful, it's sharp.
Yes.
Taste this.
Needs more salt.
Add it.
Stir well.
Don't burn.
Turn off gas.
Recipe?
From Mom.
Secret ingredient.
Love.
Haha.
Cooking with kids.
Kids, come help.
Wash vegetables.
Mix dough.
Fun.
Mistakes okay.
Learn.
Compliment food.
This is the best.
Thank you.
You cook next time.
Okay.
Grocery from kitchen.
We need oil.
Write list.
Eggs low.
Buy dozen.
Menu planning.
What for tomorrow?
Biryani.
Good.
Safety tips.
Don't touch hot pan.
Use gloves.
Knife away from edge.
Clean spills.
No running in kitchen.
Viewer practice.
Repeat. Chop the onion.
Again.
Boil water.
Pronunciation. Simmer. Slow cook.
Challenge. Cook something and speak English.
Record and share.
We love it.
Thank you for watching.
Practice in kitchen.
Improve fast.
God bless.
Bye.
Bye-bye.